We interrupt programming to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service. Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County, southern Tarrant County, northwestern Hill County, northwestern Ellis County, and southwestern Dallas County until 11:45. A cluster of severe thunderstorms is located over most of Johnson County, moving east at 35 miles per hour, and right now the leading edge of those gusty storm winds, possibly up to 70 miles per hour, the leading edge is just now crossing I-35W between Burleson and Grandview. Expect considerable tree damage and damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County, southern Tarrant County, northwestern Hill County, northwestern Ellis County, and southwestern Dallas County until 11:45. Severe thunderstorms clustered over Johnson County, moving east at 35 miles per hour with potential 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.